Here's the stuff that we're gonna do unboxing. One of the bag. This one is from Nordstrom, Michael Kors, and this one is one of the boutique in the mall. I did not really remember what is the name of the boutique. And this is all of my parcel from Amazon that I ordered. So, tara guys! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. As I say, this one is from a Nordstrom. So let's start this big one box. A paper bag, but actually is only one that here inside. So this is the one guys, is a dress for a summer also. So this is the one, hope you can see it there. This is the one that I have. Let me move this one that hopefully is, can see it nicely. And this is off shoulder. And then the second one is we have to open this. This is in Michael Kors. So let's see what I'm gonna have from Michael Kors. I'm so excited for this color. It's look like a pink. So this is a skirt. It's a long skirt. And I don't know if I can wear this one. It's a tube. It's a very nice tube. But I think I'm not ready to wear it yet. So that is gonna be like that. I would try to wear it. But I like the color, I like the style, so that's the one that I have from Michael Kors. This, the last one, is from the boutique that I went at the mall. So, and I love it. It's so very flowery. And I will wear this for our Hawaiian party. Is I believe is Friday, the end of this month at work. So this is the one that I have. Then here we come guys. The first thing that I'm gonna open for here is, I'm not really sure what is this. Hopefully it's not my gym, because I have a gym product that I've been waiting for. Let's open like this. Oh, I don't even know what is this, oh, okay. This is for the gym underwear. So I have to put it there because I don't want to show it to you guys. So it's two. Hopefully I would love it. It looks like it's not the one that I ordered. So let's see. And this one, oh, I have four actually. Is it the same color? Yeah, it's all black. This is for my gym. The fourth one guys is, this one is part of the, I believe part of the stuff for my closet. So there's a box. I hope this is the one that I'm waiting for. So let's open. I'm seeing it. here we come, guys. This is the divider for my drawer. Finally, it comes. Because I've been waiting this, so this is gonna divide for my drawer. How to open it? So, okay. Now I don't know how to open. Sorry, guys. I don't want to break it. I need to read the instruction for this one. And I will show it to you guys when I put it in my drawer. Finally, guys, I figure out. So this is the adjustable, how long the drawer is. So hopefully, oh mine, it's look like it's not gonna be fit. Wow. How about, oh, this one is it's gonna be okay here. But I wish it could fit here in my jewelry. That's why I buy this for my jewelry. So let's see, guys. Oh no, it's not. I believe this one for the jewelry is short. No, it's not gonna be fit. So here's the dress, guys. It's off shoulder siya. It's kind of nice, but it's a little bit big, I guess. So I'll try to be like that. There you go. And here's the other one, guys. That tube. Oh my god, I still need to lose weight. So this is the one. And here's the third one. Actually, I love the third one. So I'm gonna go back to that boutique. So now, I have clothes for our Hawaiian party at work. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it, my unboxing today. Actually, by next week, so I'm gonna make a video for my Tory Inboards collection. So thank you so much, guys.